Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sanskruti and I started a channel. Today's topic is really interesting. So let's begin today's video. Today we are going to discuss on really interesting topics. So let's begin today's video. So guys, you're thinking about on which topic we are going to discuss. So today we are going to discuss on the logos of the amazing uh, companies. So let's start. So guys, the most branded companies logos today we're going to discuss, like Hyundai or Apple, Amazon, and Adidas, and lot of us. So guys, we all of us are really fan of someone companies, or a lot of people also the fan of a lot of companies like Hyundai, or everyone is fan of every company, so they love that. So today we are gonna discuss about the logic behind the logos of the most branded companies. So let's start. So guys, first the Hyundai. So Hyundai is also my favorite. So when we thought about Hyundai, so a lot of people thought about there is a H of the first letter of Hyundai, but it is not H guys. When just you search it on Google, so the logo of Hyundai, so you got one different logo which the peoples are shaking their hands, the two mans are shaking their hands. So one is the servicer of Hyundai and one is the customer of Hyundai. So they loves to make the proud of the friendship with their customers. They likes to give a truth, uh, gives a true facts, or true things, or the branded things to their customers, and the customer can blindly believe them. So that's why the beautiful logo Hyundai had created. So when we thought about Adidas, what is Adidas logos? So guys, Adidas logos is made up of only because of one style, and Adidas is also the name of the who is making that shoes, or the manage the the who had started that company. The name of that people is Adidas, and that's why the name of that company is Adidas. And when we thought about the Adidas logos, there are as like a mountain, one like strips, black and white strips. So when we thought about that logo, it just seems like that one mountain, and that man who started that company, he loves to do adventures, or he loves to do trekking, and that's why he made the logo of Adidas like this. So after that, uh, the our most favorite, Toyota. So guys, when we think about Toyota, so it took us to the Japan, and guys, it's an amazing Japanese company, and you can blindly trust on it. So we all of us loves the Fortuners and lot of cars of Toyota. So when we thought about this the logo of Toyota, so a lot of people says that the logo of Toyota is just like a T, but it is not a T. So when we thought about the sieving tools, like one thread and the needle, so it just seems like that the needle and the thread, cause it is made up of, because that the Toyota company was making sieving machines before, but after that they started making cars. And so it is just interesting story about Toyota behind it. So when we just only talking about Toyota, when then we will talk about it. So after that, when we thought about our favorite company, and the richest man in the world, I hope he is the Bill Gates, and the company of Bill Gates is Amazon, and we all of us are fan of Amazon. Even in lockdown, Amazon too much help us for buying the some products or some food for license and a lot of things. So guys, the logo of Amazon is the spelling of Amazon, and there is a one arrow under the A to Z. So it just seems like A to Z, and our company offers you A to Z each and everything. It just like seems it. So this was an amazing logo. And when we thought about Apple logo, so you just thought about, yeah, it is just like Apple, but why it is cutted? So when we thought about the cutted apple, so the people who was making the logo for Apple, he just keeps all of us lot of apples in front of him, and he just started looking at that apple from different angle. And he just when he tired by looking at different angle, he just pick up one apple and he take one bite and keep it there. So when he sees that apple, so he started drawing that logo, and it was just amazing logo, guys. And the Amazon companies loves that logo, Apple company loves that logo, and they just started using that logo, and that is the famous logo in the world, or favorite logo in the world. So this was something about the mystical things behind the logos. And if you like today's video, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. Press the bell icon, and thank you guys.